Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are just getting started with Git and GitHub, this is the video for you. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to create a new GitHub repository, how to connect VS Code with your GitHub account, how to push code to a new repository, how to push to an existing repository, how to create and switch branches, and how to push to a specific branch. So let's dive in. First of all, let's create a new GitHub repository. Go to your GitHub account and you'll get to see a plus here. New repository name, here we go. Now let's open VS Code. Open a folder. Click on this button, sign in to sync settings, sign in as TMRenby, and you can see that it's connected. So we have done with connecting VS Code with our GitHub account. Okay. Now let's check the version, git version. So we can see I have already installed git before, but you can write this if you haven't installed it. Now check the new version. So now we have 2.39.5. Before we had the same, by the way. So let's create a file. Tutorial .ipynb. Let's write a code. Subscribe to the channel. But it's not running. So Python environment. Now here is the output. Subscribe to the channel, please. So we are going to push this file to our newly created repository. So go to the terminal, a new terminal. Now git init, git space add space dot, git commit aim we're saying that initial push, and now we're going to make the main branch git branch hyphen capital A and main. Now it's git remote space add space origin, and we need the link or URL of the repository, so we need this. You can get it from here as well. Now it's time to push git push ew origin main. Refresh it. You can see here is our file. Now let's move on to the next topic, push to an existing repository. Here we'll see two types. One is I have already pushed from this file or this directory, so in this case commands will be like, so let's make a few change here and then push it again. Okay, new terminal. Now just write git init git add space dot then git commit second comment. Now git push. Okay, let's check. We can see the new update, right? Now we are going to create a new folder, then clone this repository, and after that we'll update and then push. Okay, open a new terminal. Now write git clone then the link of the repository. And you can see that we have cloned the repository here. Okay, now we're going to add a file here. Let's say tutorial.txt. hello there. Yeah, so we have created a new file here. Now let's open a new terminal. Let's check the git status and then git branch remote, set URL origin, copy the repository link, git remote -v git fetch origin main. Now git pull rebase origin main. Git push origin main. Now let's check. Yeah, here is the new update. We can see the new update here. Now we're going to create and switch branches. Okay, so we go to the first folder, open it, open a new terminal, now let's write git checkout b, and here is the branch name. Okay, so let's say our YouTube branch. Okay, so we have created a new branch and we have switched it as well. Now say git branch. So here is our two branches. We can check all the branches available for this repository with this command. Okay, now we're going to switch back to the main. So git checkout main. So we are in the main branch again. So what I'm going to do is, to this branch, and then I'm going to make a new.txt file. I'm going to say subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to push this file. We can see that git push will not work for another branch. It will only work for the main branch. Okay, so what can we do? We can write git push -u origin and the feature branch. So what was the name? Our YT branch. Our YT branch. So let's take this out. I think it's pushed now. Let's refresh. You can see here are two branches now. One is main and one is our YouTube branch. So if we go there, we can see these two files. Now an extra tips for you. You can make this repository private, and you can add collaborators as well. So how? Change repository visibility. Here you can change it to private. Now it's private, but I need permission from my mobile app. This repository is private now. So how to add collaborators? Click here and add people. And that's how you can add your partners, and an email will send to the collaborator, and that's it. You have just learned the basic Git workflow: creating repositories, making commits, working with branches, and pushing code to GitHub, all from VS Code. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and keep building.